Okay, here we are. So take your screw, hold your receiver down, thread that in a little bit, slide this over the spring or the guide rod like so. You're just gonna pull it, grab down here with your finger and pull it back. Okay, see? See? Wrap it around this guy. One. Second one, same deal. And equal. Like 2-3 turns. You might not even need that many. Okay, see? Springy's all the way back. Plenty of room. You don't even have to go back that far. You're going to twist, push this rod out as you're twisting. Because if you just pull, sometimes they want to bite. So give them a little twist. And put the bolt in. Make sure the extractor's in that slot right there. Then we're going to do twisty, push. Piece of cake. Once we got them in about that far, if you can get them right in the end, that's fine too. But we'll unwind this. I'm going to untwist this. 1, 2 and a half right there. You're going to have to pull back on a spring because the wire gets caught in there. But that's easy. Just pull it out. Done. Okay? You can hold it first if you want, but one. Oh, that's all I needed. Take a little tension off with your finger. And you just pull the copper wire out. Done. You're gonna have to wiggle the bolt up and down to get that pin in there. Alright. Next,